Welcome back to CarZone 2024. Today, we're diving deep into the elegant and powerful exterior of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a car that defines luxury and sophistication. Mercedes has always pushed the boundaries of design, and the 2025 S-Class is no exception. Join us as we explore every detail of this stunning vehicle's exterior, showcasing why it continues to reign as the benchmark of automotive excellence. The S-Class has long been the flagship model for Mercedes-Benz, representing the pinnacle of luxury and technology since its inception. First introduced in the early 1970s, the S-Class has undergone multiple generations of innovation, continuously setting the standard for full-size luxury sedans. With each iteration, Mercedes incorporates the latest advancements in design, materials, and aerodynamics, and the 2025 version is a testament to that ongoing legacy. The 2025 S-Class exudes a commanding presence on the road, thanks to its sleek and sophisticated design language. At the front, the iconic Mercedes grille is more prominent than ever, featuring chrome accents and the signature three-pointed star emblem, which sits proudly at the center. Flanking the grille are the newly designed LED headlights, with a sharp, angular appearance that seamlessly blends modernity and elegance. These digital light headlamps not only enhance the vehicle's aesthetic but also offer cutting-edge lighting technology for superior visibility. Moving along the sides, you'll notice the graceful, flowing lines that give the S-Class its unmistakable silhouette. The bodywork is sculpted to perfection, with subtle creases that create a sense of motion even when the car is stationary. The roofline elegantly slopes towards the rear, contributing to the sedan's aerodynamic profile, enhancing fuel efficiency and performance. The 2025 S-Class rides on bold 20-inch alloy wheels, which further amplify its luxurious appeal. The chrome trim running along the windows and doors adds a touch of refinement, perfectly complementing the overall design. At the rear, the 2025 S-Class features a more refined and minimalist design. The LED taillights are slimmer and sharper, wrapping around the rear corners for a cohesive look. The dual exhaust outlets, integrated into the rear bumper, provide a subtle hint of the car's powerful performance capabilities. The rear design maintains a balance between sophistication and sportiness, a testament to Mercedes' mastery of automotive styling. Beyond aesthetics, the 2025 S-Class exterior is engineered for top-notch performance. The use of lighter-weight aluminum in the bodywork reduces the overall weight of the vehicle, enhancing both handling and fuel efficiency. The improved aerodynamics, paired with active grille shutters, ensure that air flows smoothly around the car, reducing drag and optimizing performance. This exterior is not just about luxury, it's about functionality and intelligent design. As a symbol of prestige and luxury, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class continues to lead the industry in both style and substance. Its exterior is a perfect blend of timeless elegance and modern innovation, making it the ideal choice for those who demand nothing but the best. That's all for today's in-depth look at the exterior of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Stay tuned to CarZone 2024 for more deep dives into the latest and greatest vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.